Hello world, here is Jacob Stravinsky, investment fund trader and financial analyst, and we are back with you and our online trading sessions. So all the community members are ready. So this is the same strategy we are trading every week, Fridays and Thursdays and Fridays. And let's be patient. Right now something will happen, and so yes, we are going down. We are going down, and you will see with your own eyes that now will be much stronger impact on the currency pair. At the moment we are trading European euro and US dollar right now, so you can see the trade is opened right in here. So on the below of your screen you can see that that the trade is open, so for $10,000 trade, and in several seconds we will get the profit. And here we go. So everything you have seen with your own eyes. If you have any questions about this strategy or trading, give me the messages. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. Join our communities free of charge. We're just sharing our experience inside the traders community and having fun and having some profits as well. Thank you so much for your attention. I don't really see any possible situation to continue trading with this particular situation, so it will be enough for me just to have the profit from one and the only trade when we had an exact time and exact date when to open that particular trade. So thank you so much for your attention. It was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you, and follow us. The links for the Facebook and Instagram are below. If you have any questions, give me a message. The links are below. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you and have a great day. See you.